welcome to day 5 of Wigmas with moi. So today I am reviewing the Zury Sis wig Wish. She came out late last year and I couldn't get my hands on her, so I was able to get my hands on her this year, so I decided to review her. So if you guys are familiar with Zury Sis, they had a couple of wigs that have this moon part, so it's like a full circle parting area. Well, not parting area, it's a part that they have blocked out in this unit. So you can wear it in the top knot ponytail, or you could either have it as a deep side part on either side, and wear her to the side like a bob. So she comes with 2 combs in the front, right up in the front. She has a comb at the nape and she has adjustable straps. She doesn't have baby hairs or anything like that. So I got her in a 1B. It says that this wig has Remy fiber. I don't know what that means, honey. I don't know what that is. Lace front, that is true, and you can heat her up to 400 degrees, which is true, and she comes in a variety of colors. So what I really liked about her was the fact that she was big head friendly. I do like the style. The lace in the hairline was great, because once I put it down, it looks like it's coming out my scalp. Unfortunately, I'm just not feeling it in this style on me. They do have another unit, I can't think of the name, I'll insert it on the screen, that was more like a wavy ponytail and wavy hairstyle. Maybe I would have liked that one. But here you can see that I was taking it down. I took it down to redo it, and to just flatten some of the, I guess people call them filler hairs or just puffiness, out, to make it a little more slick, sleek, whatever you want to call it. And I put it back and I still didn't like it. But as far as like the lace, the parting area, that was excellent. She did shed. I think it was because I cut the lace or whatever, and I also had a track come out. So I don't know what that was about, but I guess those are my pros right off. I'm not pros, excuse me, my cons right off the bat, y'all. So I really thought I was going to like this unit, but it didn't turn out that way. So here you guys just see me wearing it in the bob style. The parting looks good. You really don't have to do anything to it, honestly, from here. I did try to flatten it down and I did try to put some curls in it. She does curl, but not as well as some of the other synthetic units that I've had have curled. So she's all right. If you want to just wear it like that, you can, but I was trying to put a little bit of curls in the unit, and it curl, like you'll see my face right here once I drop this curl. Ow, I was excited, but you know, yeah, I wasn't really feeling this one. As far as the hair texture, she is silky, honey. She is definitely silky, and she's really shiny. You know, most of the time I say my wigs look shiny because of my ring light, but this one was really shiny in person. So you know, if you guys like this style, if you like the original style how it comes, I would definitely recommend getting it. But for me, it was just a flop for me, you know. And this is the ending product. So yeah, guys, just like, comment, and subscribe, and be on the lookout for my next video for Wigmas Day 6. And I love you guys, and thank you once again for all the support. Stay blessed, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.